Welcome to our Project S4 90-Day Challenge. Here at Quicksilver, we want to assist you in making not just your life a happier, better place, but also your entire world. That's why we are challenging you to not only acquire precious metal assets to accelerate your wealth, but in doing so, instantly give hope to those that need it most. Helping others in need is one of the most rewarding things a person can do, and we have made it effortless for you to become a hero to many in need. I'll share with you how in just a few moments. But first, let's discuss what you'll receive when you take our Project S4 90-Day Challenge and what the challenge is all about. Introducing our Premium Challenge Package. Each option includes a custom-made, high-quality wooden case that holds 32 1-ounce silver coins within its velvet-lined coin capsule holders, a truly elegant display showpiece. 32 superior clarity acrylic coin capsules are also included for long-term protection of your coins. In addition, to see the exquisite detail of your coins, a high-quality 4-way magnifier is also included. That's not all. You'll also receive a premium black velvet jeweler's pattern cotton gloves for safe coin handling. To complete the challenge, you'll simply need to acquire 16 coins from us in 90 days. That's it. It's as simple as that. So, you might be asking yourself, how does all this instantly give hope to those that need it most and make me a hero? Simple. Your purchase of a Premium Challenge Package provides 20 meals through our Project S4 mission. Better yet, complete the challenge within 90 days, and we will match those meals with an additional 20 meals donated in your honor. That's a total of 40 life-changing meals. These meals will be donated in your honor, and the nonprofit organization we support, called Feed My Starving Children, will produce and deliver these life-sustaining meals on your behalf. Together, we can make a difference. Don't wait any longer. We'll see you in our Hall of Heroes.